Smoking and alcohol consumption is injurious to health.
Arvind Narayan,
So,
age 23, Journalism Institute of India. You seem to have worked on a lot of articles.
thank you, sir.
Chocolate and emotion. Okay. Soul on a vacation. What's that about?
It deals with how savage a human being can be once he stops hiding behind the curtain of morality.
Four others like me?
For others like me, how a man perceives himself to be different and can completely overlook the similarities.
I'll get to the point. It looks like you have what it takes to be a good journalist.
Thanks.
But all your beautifully written articles belong in an Ayn Rand book, not in a newspaper. What I need is an article a lot of people can relate to.
But, sir,
Come back when you think you have one.
Apollo Hospital. It's urgent. Come immediately.
doctor, how is he?
Nothing to worry, just a couple of minor fractures. I advise a precautionary 15 days bed rest. But make sure he doesn't do any heavy lifting for a while. You can see him after some time.
Thank you. Doctor, he looks so young. What happened?
Do you smoke?
No.
He did. A lot. He was diagnosed with lung cancer from past 1 month, but it was too late by then. He was on life support for past 2 weeks, but he didn't make it. You know, this is the 4th case this week. Everybody knows smoking kills. They just like to believe it won't be them.
फैट फक्स ऑल दे वांटेड वाज पीपल फ्रॉम देयर ओन स्टेट मैन होल्ड ऑन भैया एक चाय साला नौकरी दे रहा है उसकी बेटी की रिश्ता ढूंढ रहा है he couldn't even open his mouth in GD man and they call themselves an MNC seriously hey dude we'll call you back what's so funny
You sounded just like me after my first interview.
oh yeah how many were there
Lost count.
so what's your reason
Well, they never give me reason. So I stopped asking.
looks like you're experiencing something for the first time too anyway got to go all the best
Yeah.
many more fat facts to meet this week
Thanks for the cigarette. ஒரு டீ இது ஒரு பேக்கெட் அவ்வளோதான்.
We had a lot of fun at the office party yesterday.
Yeah, I've seen the Facebook pics. It's you and the same bunch of guys in every one of those parties. What's so special about this one?
I'm in no mood to get into this again. So, what did you do yesterday?
What will I do? It's just the usual boring stuff. Let's talk about something interesting. Like you, the parties you go to, and the people you hang out with.
Why are you doing this right now?
I want to talk about it right now. Every time we start talking about this, you keep changing the subject.
When you know there is no result out of the discussion, there is no point discussing it.
There is a point. You are at fault and running away from it. I have had enough of it.
Oh, you had enough. Then what about me? Do you think I enjoyed when you stopped calling me? For all those days together? Don't you think I have a problem with what you do? How many times have I told you to stop trying to kill yourself with those damn things? You know what? It's not you. It's me who had enough.
Sir, will it be okay if I leave early?
Yeah, sure, why not? Take tomorrow off as well. In fact, stop coming to the office altogether. I'll get you the money every month myself.
Sir, I didn't mean that. It's just that I'm not feeling well today and I've already completed the work which I was given.
Oh, you mean this report you submitted this morning? I'm embarrassed by the level of interest you've shown in it. If you want to continue, you better start showing interest in your work and put some effort. And I want this report on my desk minus the mistakes first thing tomorrow morning. You can leave.
ஒரு லைட் சுருட்டி
சில்லர் இல்லையா?
இல்லைண்ணா.
മോനെ, ഈ മാസം കഴിഞ്ഞ മാസത്തേക്കാട്ടും ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാണ്. നമ്മൾ പറ്റുന്നത്ര നിന്നെ സഹായിച്ചു. ഇനി പറ്റില്ല. നമുക്കറിയാം നിനക്ക് നല്ലോണം കഷ്ടപ്പാടുണ്ട്. എന്തായാലും പെട്ടെന്ന് ജോലി കിട്ടാൻ നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കാം. നിനക്ക് നല്ലത് വരട്ടെ.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to react the way I did. I have changed. I'm not the same guy anymore. Even the thought is killing me from inside. I was angry at you. That's because I couldn't bear the thought of you being with someone else. I've realized what I took for granted. I hope you understand.
Please. Please don't try to convince me. You might have changed, but I don't want to get hurt anymore. I've suffered enough. And please don't try to contact me anymore.
them as puppets or puppeteers of their own fate, but it does not change the fact that they are all just 84 mm away from hell. I have to admit that it is an interesting article, but what exactly is this 84 mm?
Can I?
So, you mean to say that they are all just one smoke away from death? Or were you talking about the first cigarette that puts people on the path to hell? I think I got it.
Thank you, sir. My pleasure.
Just out of curiosity, did they make it?
Cheers for you and your new job.
Thank you.
So, you finally got the job you wanted.
Yeah.
And this is where you give the party.
I called you guys right after I got the job.
That's okay, man. But tell me one thing. Who was dumb enough to employ philosopher Arvind Narayan?
Philosopher. Philosophy is just to enter stage, and the play is all about reality.
This fucker gets drunk after one peg, man.
What's this new article about?
You took our lives and spun a story out of it, didn't you?
It's not about you. It's about the habit that takes people down the spiral, and the worst part is, they don't even realize it.
I have been smoking for last 10 years, man. If something was gonna happen to me, it would have happened already.
Maybe you got lucky so far, but keep up the habit. Who knows what will happen after a few years?
Up in the sky, above the world, there seems no light. Just passing by, all are these words, and there's no goodbye.